So it's election season, and I see a lot of people presenting their information as it relates to economics and as it relates to social issues. But I'm going to tell you how it affects you when it comes to travel and the current administration. In 2016, before the administration turned over, the Jamaican passport was ranked in the high 60s in the rest of the world. We could only go to, I think it was like 70 countries, visa-free, visa on arrival, and e-visa. Today, we have over 100 countries with access, visa-free, visa on arrival, and e-visa. To gain visa-free access to a country or to have a direct flight or a route planned to a country, it not just happening, the country, they not just wake up one day and be like, oh, let me make Jamaica visa-free access. Thailand didn't just wake up one day and say, oh, let me give Jamaica visa-free access. This is meetings where the Ministry of Foreign Affairs have to fly go to the country, meet with ambassadors, plan agreements. It's not just them a wake up and I decide that them a go give Jamaica visa-free access. For a lot of countries, in a lot of cases, is a proposal or application that Jamaica has to make to the country to gain visa-free access for its citizens. So if on the bill you say, oh, the country they magically do it, no, a whole heap of work going on it before we can benefit. Now, to think that in 2016, we only had 77 countries and today we have over 100. That means during that tenure, they have brokered over 30 different deals with different countries to gain access on the Jamaican passport. Only that, when you develop these relationships with these countries, you have to have ambassadors available, you have to have consulates available, and you have to have embassies that are available to process requests from citizens that will be visiting these countries. That not just happen overnight. That has staffing, and remember, you have to. Y'all see the Foreign Affairs Ministry going for fishermen who washed up in Colombia. They are getting people assistance in. I think I saw an article about a man that is currently in Lesotho. There is so much work that is being done that you know nothing about. This is the current administration we have now. I believe that we are on a path to get better because it's gotten so much easier for us to travel internationally. And not only that, just spilling over from the economic changes, more Jamaicans are able to afford to take vacations. At times, they make administrative changes that a lot of us don't understand how it affects us personally. But think about where you were 5, 6, 8, 10 years ago and where you are today. There's enough videos here on TikTok with people breaking down the other aspects of the government, economic, social issues, and all the other little things that have affected us or has changed during dinner. Use all of this information for decide who you want to run the government. See you in foreign. Or depends upon who you vote for.
Jamaica's passport was at its weakest in the mid-2002, particularly between 2006 and 2010, when citizens had visa-free or visa on arrival access to only about 40 to 50 countries, ranking near the bottom globally. This decline was worsened in 2003 when Jamaicans lost visa-free access to the United Kingdom, one of the most valuable destinations, following heightened global security restrictions after 9/11's. Between 2010 and 2015, the passport remained relatively weak, with access to just over 55 countries and a global ranking in the 62nd to 72nd, as Jamaica lagged behind other nations that were signing new bilateral visa agreements. However, since 2016, the passport has steadily strengthened, benefiting from new regional and international visa waiver agreements. And in 2023, the launch of biometric e-passports further boosted its credibility. By 2025, Jamaica's passport now offers access to close to 90 destinations and ranks among the strongest it has ever been. Yes, definitely greater international confidence in Jamaica as a stable, secure and globally engaged nation plays a major role in strengthening the passport. When countries consider granting visa-free access, they weigh several factors. Security and trust. Nations must be confident that Jamaica maintains strong border controls, secure travel documents, and low risks of overstays or illegal migration. The rollout of the biometric e-passport in 2023 was a direct move to build that trust. economic stability and diplomacy. A country that shows steady economic growth, manages debt responsibly, and strengthens international partnerships becomes a more attractive travel partner. Jamaica's consistent economic reforms and credit upgrades since 2016 have improved its global standing. Crime and governance. International perceptions of Jamaica's ability to manage crime and corruption also affect confidence. While challenges remain, improvements in governance and regional cooperation help build credibility. Soft power and influence. Jamaica's strong cultural footprint, reggae, athletics, diaspora influence creates goodwill abroad, which sometimes translates into friendlier visa arrangements.
Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, both locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to JamaicaLiveTVNews@gmail.com.